Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use ScreenCaptureKit to do both screen recording as well as audio recording and just create a file out of it. So let's get started. So firstly I'll show you guys the output. So I have my app running. This is again for macOS desktop app. So I have created an Xcode project with Swift and I'm using AppKit, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. And here you can see I have two buttons, start and stop. Now once I start recording, I have purposefully written like what I have did in my code, that I won't record my own app. If you want you can record your own app as well, but yeah, I have purposefully avoided it because some people won't want to record their own app. And this video is about recording the entire display, so you can't record a specific window. I do plan to make a video on that as well, on how to record specific window as well, but this is about recording and the entire display and but not recording our own app. But if you want I will tell you exactly in the code where you can record your own app as well. So if I click on start, now there is only one display attached to my one display attached because I'm using a laptop. But I will also show you if you have multiple display, then how you can record those as well. So if I click on start, here you can see it will start recording.
10,000 एक देखो ये कुछ मैंने QC कहाँ से निकालोगे, जो ऑनलाइन QC सेंटर है जहाँ पर आपकी गाड़ी का.
So I have clicked on stop. I'll just go to my recording. So here the recording is saved inside the downloads folder, and if I play it, I'm not sure if you guys can hear it or not.
10,000 एक देखो ये कुछ मैंने QC कहाँ से निकाल.
But as you can see the recording was like it recorded fine, both the screen as well as the audio. So yeah, let's get started. And this issue which you see, like this method should not be called on the main thread, I will tell you that as well. Yeah, let's see. So first you will have to create an macOS project using Xcode with Swift. You can use Swift UI if you like, but I'm using AppKit. Next you will have to go to your project, go to signing and capabilities, and here you inside app sandbox you will have to check this checkbox of audio input, as well as over here inside resource access you will have to check audio input. And for downloads folder, make sure you give both read and write permission. Next again this I'm using ScreenCaptureKit, and this is applicable only from macOS 13. I'm using macOS 14, which is Sonoma. So yeah, but if you are using some older version of Mac, then you will, I think you will have to use some older version of how to capture screen and audio recording. So first we will go to view controller, and the entire code is inside the view controller. Also if you see my logs, when I click on the start button, here you can see I'm printing out how many displays there are for this particular laptop or PC, whatever you are running it on. So I'm also printing that will help us to identify how many displays there are. So firstly I have imported AV Foundation, AVF Audio and ScreenCaptureKit. Then I'm extending screen SC Stream Delegate, SC Stream Output. Then I have created some enums to identify what is the stream type. For our case it would be mostly screen, not window and system audio. Then I have created one for audio quality and one for video format as well. Then created some variables for SC shareable output, content filter, SC display, then audio settings, SC stream type, asset writer, which will help us to write it to that particular file or whatever we have recorded, both the screen as well as the audio. Then do we want the record mic to be false or true, and I'm not sure if record mic is working, maybe you can test that as well. And here we are just doing AV asset writer input, and here we are creating our audio engine, AV audio engine. Then I have created two buttons and assigned a click listener to it as well. Okay. Next, on start button click listener, we are first doing SC shareable content.get excluding desktop window. Now if you are running the app for the very first time, it will open the security screen where you will have to grant the app access to secure like screen and audio recording. I have already given that permission, that's why you haven't seen that in the output. But if that permission is not given, then the settings app would be presented to you where you will have to give the screen and audio recording permission to this particular app. Then only this will work. Then here we are just assigning our available content to this particular variable, and here you can see you can just do a for loop to get all the display names that have been all the displays that have been attached to your particular laptop or PC. So from that you can choose I will tell you from where exactly you can choose that as well, but currently I only have one display. Then we just call self dot prep record, and for stop button click we are just calling stop recording. So here I am setting the stream type to screen. Then we are calling update audio settings, and here you can see, given that I have only one display attached to my laptop, I have particularly hard coded this available content dot displays dot first. But if you are running it on a user's device, you might not know how many displays they have. Like you can figure it out from this logic, but you will have to ask user like which display you want to record. Right now when the user picks whatever like display 1, display 2, then you can change this logic to whatever you feel like. But currently I only have one display, that's why I'm just using this dot first. Okay, and here I am excluding my own app. So if you don't want to exclude your own app from screen recording and audio recording, you can remove this logic over here, and here you will have to remove this, just keep it as empty array. But here you can add more if you don't want to record some other app as well, then you can add that app bundle identifier as well. So yeah, then we just call record and pass our filter to it. And here we are just doing SC stream configuration. We are setting the width and height, then setting the minimum frame interval as well, and show cursor is true, capture audio is true, sample rate I have set it. I will show you where I am doing this audio settings. Then we are initializing our SC stream, then adding the stream output for screen as well as for audio. Then here we are initializing our video and then calling stream.start capture. And for stop recording we just call stream.stop capture and assign everything to null, as well as call the close video as well, and stream type equal to null. And for update audio settings, as you can see, like I have just I wanted the audio format to be ACC audio format, that's why I have hard coded these values. But if you want some other audio format like ALAC, then you can use this. For FLAC you can use this, and like I haven't even heard about this Opus I guess, then you can use something like this. Okay, but given that I only want this ACC, I have just hard coded this all things. Next, here inside initialization of video, so first again I have hard coded the file ending, like how I want the file ending to be, or the file format you might say. And here is the file type, AV file type, and again you can decide what file format you want. I have set it as MP4, but you can use MOV as well because that's quite popular on Mac. And here we are just getting the downloads directory path, and here I'm just passing the file name. And now here we are using our initializing asset writer, then the FPS multiplier like 60 FPS. Okay, then encoder multiplier, target bit rate, video settings. So again this is like boilerplate code which you have to write, and record mic I have kept it as false. Now this logic which you see, this is causing this warnings of this method should not be called on main thread. So maybe like I'm not sure like from this till where you will have to add this background thread logic. Maybe the entire thing might have to be done on background thread, but yeah, you can add your background thread over here. And for so here again like this is boilerplate code which even I have copied from the documentation. I won't be able to explain it to you much, but yeah, it is what it is. And then for close video, sorry, again we are doing dispatch group dot enter. We mark everything as finished, like our input, video input, audio input, and if record mic, then mic input dot mark as finished, as well as audio engine. And yeah, and here we do the actual writing of the file. So if it is given that in our case it is screen, right? So we this is defined by this output type, sorry. So if it is screen, then perform this logic again, sorry, I won't be able to explain it to you. And if it is audio, then do this logic. Then this is for did stop with error, in case if there is any error. And I have again copy pasted these two extensions which I didn't really understood. So yeah, you can just copy paste it for now. So this is the one extension and this is the other extension. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.